Nairobi is a city on the rise. This is the Property Investment Series. I'm your realtor, Wendy Ojiro, and I'll be showing you the investment hotspots in Nairobi. So what makes Westlands such a desirable location to invest in? One, it is a very prime location. It's the new CBD, and it seamlessly integrates the live, work, play philosophy. So that makes it very easy to get to anywhere you want to go to. When you're in Westlands, within minutes you can get to any other part of town because of the good infrastructure. We also have the expressway, which takes you only 7 minutes to get to the airport. You'll also like the fact that you get a diversity of property options. Whether you're looking for a 1-bedroom apartment, a penthouse, or a townhouse, then this will give you whatever you need. For families, you can easily settle in Westlands because you have a number of good schools within the location. Whether you want an international school or a local school, you have plenty of options. Are you a young professional living alone? Or you're a family moving to Nairobi and you want to live in a modern place with easy access to amenities and schools? Or maybe you're a retiree and you want a home. You're an empty nester, but you want a home, but still have the convenience. That caters to everybody. When you live in Westlands, you can expect to have everything in one place: residential, commercial, and recreational. Westlands, because of its central location, is an ideal place to set up your office. There are very many local and multinational companies that have set base here. Like today we are at the GTC, which is centrally located, has high quality office space, and you definitely want to be here. So why are many multinationals coming to Kenya? It's because of good political stability. You can work here peacefully. You have easy access to a regional market, and you also have good quality employees to choose from. One of the best advantages of living in Westlands is the lifestyle that you get to enjoy when you live here. It's an amazing community. It feels like everybody knows each other. Everything is within a walking distance to where you need it to be. We have social amenities that are of an international standard. So when it comes to after work activities, whether you're looking to unwind after work or during the weekends, you'll have plenty of things to do. Whether you want to take a walk or a run, you can go to Arboretum Park or Karura. Whether you want to play golf, Nairobi has 13 golf courses that you can explore while you're in Nairobi. Some of the best courses in this country. If you're a golfer, you are going to enjoy this experience. But right now, Westlands is on the rise, and you definitely want to make use of this opportunity where you get to buy in a place that is growing. It's currently affordable, so whatever your budget is, whether you're looking for a 1-bedroom or a 3-bedroom, there's going to be something that suits your needs and suits your lifestyle. And the best part is it's a place you can live in eventually. It's not a place that you will only invest in. It's a place that anybody around the world could comfortably come and live here. This is Westlands. We have a variety of investment opportunities for you. Visit uptownrealty.co.ke.